Well, here we are. Welcome to Knob Fiddler 10. I believe it is 10 now. I've had a few requests to have another knob video. Right, here we go. Knob Fiddler 10. I've had a few requests for a new blog and an update. So here's your update. Let's start off with the dartboard. Work my way around. There's the local oar. All pubs have got to have a local oar, haven't they? Settle on its way. Above that, television. Heater. Patio heater, that one. Wasn't a great success, so I've had to get something else. Obviously, the little caricatures. Sab's lamp. Might be a bit bright. This is Grumpy Corner. This is for T-Boy to sit and face a wall, hopefully. Flip my way round to the door. Got a collection of bottles now above the door. All empty, of course, drunken. T-Boy's window. Look up around the top. I'm leaving the bar till last. There we are. Let's swing ourselves back round again. See if we can. It's all a bit dark in here. Let's see if we can actually show you the bar area. That's the cafeteria side. Taking you across to the bar itself. A couple of bar stools. There's the bar. My glasses hanging up. We got flashing lights. Red flashing lights, haven't you? Yeah, I know it's tacky, who cares? I'm not worried. Not got the optics in yet, but that's where they'll go. Present from Crispy. Flashing eyes as well. I'll show you this up here. I don't know how much you can see, but this oak beam. We discovered this when we took the wall out. It's made so much more room taking the wall out. Oops. Unfortunately, the red lights have blown. Otherwise, the eyes would have lit up. And there we are. Bar runners, courtesy of the Frog and Orange. Given, not stolen. One from Tara. Behave or be banned. That looks good, doesn't it? Blue tack. Makes it look like I built it up with blue tack. So, there it is. The bar of the Knob Fiddler. Oh, that's view from behind the bar, I suppose. Just a quick look behind the bar. DVD player under there, all rigged up, all working. We had a couple of sessions. Fridge. Stocked. Short of wine bottles at the moment because I'll keep drinking them. Glasses hung up, courtesy of Chronic's umbrella, which blew over in the wind and broke, so I utilised what I could. Bell, last orders. And for the impatient people, just got this up and running. service bell. We need to get some of the lower sections done. It's nice and warm now, thanks to me eBay special, DeLonghi heater. Keeps the frost away. That's it. Looking forward to Knob Fiddler 11. Should have a lot more done.